Actually, what is going on this on Facebook? Actually, I was not supposed to be on live video. I'm supposed to be at the hospital. Actually, waiting the happen. Love goes wrong. Love goes what? Love goes. I didn't expect goes again. Goes wrong. Hey, whoa. I don't know your guesses at all. He said, I know where I have the call for hospital, so I'll show that proof. I'll show that proof. Both to jab me, you understand? But the bicycle scatter, me no scatter. Wait, so Enogie. Me very good. If I never cause settle down, apologize to my Yvonne. All of you that go cry for this social media. Who that go cry yo? One by one. I go tell now. The spirit of an innocent child as it they walk. What love goes what? Wrong. No. And you get why don't they cry for social media? I think a joke. I know your comments. And they tag me say very good in consio. I think a joke. I they look. Now when the woman, the social woman come enter the house, come they ask and say, Enogie, you and your wife are go drag on for this matter. If you not say na lie, God will punish you. Una toss na lie na prank una dey, una come change am to prank tomorrow. God will punish you. Now when that woman come enter inside house, come and say you had a fight with your husband, I record that part. Man, if you delete that video, we will kill you. I record that part. I record that part. When man can't say, I had a fight with my husband. It can't end the live video. Love goes what? Wrong. No, Perigotin go marry. Perigotin go marry. Mommy Nora. Marry Duma crying on live video. It's too early to cry. If not me, I no go cry come out for social media. If not me, Perigotin. No matter how that thing pay me rich, I no go cry come out because wahala for who not born 3 children for 1 year. So after the 3 children when you born for 1 year, you dey come dey drag your so-called favor for social media. Hell God, una no dey shame. Love goes wrong. Love goes wrong. Una no dey shame. As in, they cry for social media. If una come outside, come talk say this thing na joke, na prank. God go punish you. If you come outside and a prank, God go punish you. Prank go kill you. And you okay? Why can't you be a man for your wife? And okay, be a man. Now that I say okay for Instagram, why I opened? Not be prank. Shut up. Not be prank. Say not prank. Which kind of hear prank? Shut up. Not be prank. You go right to they tag you. I understand. They tag me now. I get I'm not very good in concy. That's where tag me there. I see and say they tag me now. I enter. Me I dey Facebook. I know they Facebook. I know they look Facebook. You know where we face. I know get power for Facebook. I say I don't drag Enogie last year. I don't come up for social media. I know they Facebook. You say they tag you. They tag me. 3 people tagged me. Not be prank. Not be prank. The woman wey enter inside that place, if a Nigerian woman voice, we go know the Nigerian woman voice. The woman wey come there, not be Nigerian woman voice. Now confirm the German woman be that. Say na prank. Numumu. Then they talk to you, they talk say na prank. When una go see truth, una go say na prank. When una go see prank, una go say na truth. If you never come out for social media, apologize to this speaking one na drag, So you see this one at the beginning. I tell you, say, you go dey depressed, you kill your own picking with your hands. Now wait me Perigotin tell you. Now me tell you. Now me tell you. Not be prank. Not be prank. Not be prank. Now go apologize. All of una. Not be prank. Shut up. It's not a prank. What of not be prank. What kind of stupid prank is that? Jehovah witness people. Jehovah witness people come preach to her. Now they come, they ask and say, you have a fight with your husband. Are you guys normal? Are you guys normal? No, I stand with Enogie. Justice for Enogie. I told you people. When I'm talking, people will be like, when I know they hear me, I go say, Perry na small gay, Perry they lie, Perry no they talk truth. Justice for Enogie. Justice for Enogie. Not be prank. Not be prank. It's a prank. Miss God, not be prank. Enogie, they don't gog you. Siam. Paper, you no gree give you. Okay, you go born 5 children for 1 year. Because of paper. Paper, they no gree give Enogie. After that, they go cheat us. They go cheat us in a prank now. They go cheat us in a prank. And so they come meet me say, hey, Terry Cotton, we not say we don't call a rich. Maybe we talk saying a prank. Which prank? When you measure my own baby, you say my talk saying a prank. Not be prank. No level. Wait till they make una they understand that because una go apologize. And una must apologize. Or else, say, Mama know that you be single mother forever. Not be gist. Nobody go pay your bride price. You remain single mother of 5. If I not get leave you, another person go carry you, you go still go born. For another person, you become 2 father, you will just do it like that. Which kind of year probably should they ask her a question? You know, so una know they think. Una know they think. Una know they think. Anything will be truth now, I go send a prank. Do one will be truth. Now social voice. I beg you. I not be mumu. Well, beu. I said that social voice. Me and you they come from hospital so. Now me and the man will jam me since morning. With a drug how much you want pay me. I said I die there. He said na prank. Not be pranky. Since social science, I heard you had a fight with your husband. Say yes. The social press base. Say will be that one. Do you want to come in? Una not the craze. Why blog? All this you useless bloggers. Can't you blog this part? Or you just say when the social came inside. Why am I feeling so pain on my mind right now? Social came inside. As I was asking her. He said, who is that? Come inside. Come inside. You people are deaf, so you know here when Shaq came. You know here when he come. Now, so she called for Enogie. Enogie is finished. Please, Mama Noah, put Enogie for me into prison. Okay? If you don't know how to do it, tell me. I'll give you a good lawyer. We will help you transfer prison. If you cannot be a father, Enogie, go and be father for your children. Enogie, live life into alone. Live life into alone. No, attends. I'm sure they call me. Attends, so I will call you. May we leave this car where jam me now. Car don't scatter my bicycle. May we leave the car now. May we face this matter. No, social wait. Social wait, social. This is real matter. As in, my hand they pay me. My hang my phone. Okay, see, you dey monetize for Facebook. Why talwa for Facebook? Okay, wait carry you go Instagram. Why talwa Enogie? You know if you take care of your children. You want to drag you for social media. Let's go children. Why talwa? Why children where God give you. You not fit take care of your children. Me when no poor, no better pass you so. No be this my house I did so. Now what I did just now? Want to come jam my bicycle? Want to come jam my bicycle? I tell the people that carry me to the hospital. I reach house, I suffer the call. Say, now assurance and they call so. Me they can't tell the man make he come pay money for the jamming and damage because I'm traumatized. Even social ask her. Social ask her say, you people are not you are very stupid to say it's a prank. You are very stupid to say it's a prank. Because you cannot differentiate between prank and reality. Now you always bring problem to yourselves. Always bring a problem to yourselves. Somebody is saying, person you enter social. You know if you don't already call social. Social come. Social come. I go buy. Now me, I don't buy this matter. I don't buy them. So she enter inside house. He said, who is that coming? Now Shatlan say, you say you call that you have a fight with your husband. If you are regarding live video, don't understand. You don't listen. That is a problem. You don't listen. You don't listen. Ricky Bob is not a prank. You don't listen. You're just there to laugh. I was there. I was watching. I was watching for a few minutes. I wanted to drop a comment like, anybody where they believe social media, you are on your own. Now comment might be one drop. Make my fans for say, as they tag me, I respond. I can't say no, man, wait. Because you know, say, I want drop the comment and I will get out from the live video, you know. I can't say, make I calm down. Make I calm down my mind. I beg. You understand? Make I calm down my mind. You get? I can't calm down. What I go here again now? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Okay, come inside. Let me put my children to sleep. Let me put my children to sleep. I heard you. Now the woman called and say you had a fight with your husband, right? Because if social they follow you, they talk, you cannot be on live video. You have to end that live video. Me, I know Enogie and that baby mama so well say later, give them few minutes. Give them few minutes, They will come out and say it's a prank. Now you when they believe in Enogie and baby mama. When Enogie come put light for my head, the light no pay me. Come they drag my baby for live video. This say go Enogie say make I tell you. This is just the beginning. Should they say they want to remove you. They want to remove you from being a father to your children. That is number one. Enogie, you will come and apologize to me. Then I go arrange your life back. Or else you saw the cry when be say me cry for my baby crave. I don't post them all, but the swear when me swear for you and your family is too much. The swear is many, is too much. Calamity upon calamity. Problem upon problem. Now you go to see. The swear when me swear, it's too much. I too swear. I too cry for Yvonne grave, I cry, I swear. Say, wait till me do. If me do you bad, make my swear follow me. If now you do me bad, make the swear when me swear follow you and your family. And wait till I swear with that. That is my swear. I swear, I cry, I do fasting, I do prayer. You will see me shouting on live video. I know they eat because he pay me. Now when he pay me, enter blood with that. You see me, I dey here, I'm living fine, good, happy. I dey craze for live video, do my own craziness for live video, but I'm still happy. I have my job. They even might tell you they increase my salary, they increase my time. I dey write exams, so not because of this will happen. So I should be in school. I should be in school. I do a lot of fasting and prayers. Yes, for their heads. Yes, for their heads. I do a lot of fasting and prayer for their heads. Now, you see your life on live video. The mama know herself, wow, but you don't go even feel say, man, you keep your face square before you come live video. Carry one face like that. I don't know the kind thing where it be say fool mama know her face. Go all come. So the makeup may do that day. Oh my, that woman is very dirty. So the kind of makeup where you do that day, it be like oh juju calabar. Come live video. Come, how they no go leave you? How they want to marry you? Then it be after children, you don't sakwa, you don't sasakwe. After children, you don't sasakwe. Come live video, come they cry. Me, my eye is on your family. My eye, Enogie, my eye there on your family. My eye is there. When your wife calls you that time, when you can't apologize, I look down and say, this is the beginning. Now when I talk, I no talk. I no make pim, I relax. I don't 1 week, I read the travail. Accident to travail, I read. And then I did 1 week from today to next week, Tuesday. I know they work. I did this the phone. When I see him say he calls you that day, woman when they curse your husband, that one and woman, my husband, oh, I love my husband, oh. The way they even they talking husband name for life, no respect, no regard. Even boy when they fuck me self, I know if you call her name, unless my ass, if you don't break up, I feel they call her name. Even boy when they fuck me self, I know if you call the boy name. Boy when they fuck me, I know if you call her name. Oh, Enogie. I know say Richard name not be Enogie. I know say Richard name not be Enogie, but you don't get respect. You lack a lot of respect. And you will come look at me and say, Perry, you are rude. You lack a lot of respect. You don't even respect the man you call your husband. You can't even respect him. How they want to marry you? Where they want to put you? Which house? Who want to marry you? You can't even respect him. You can't even respect him. Insulted him on live video. I saw the live video. I'm like, whoa, this is the beginning. I said, when we go hit the internet again, they go turn into prank. This is what is happening today. And I want to change into prank. When me did this live video, show me there. So I don't record them. Now the part where sweets me, I record. Now the part where sweets me, I record. You know, so when they tell me, say, Perry, come Germany, come donation me. Perry, come Germany. I look you and not talk. Because I know now my man will go put you for prison. Now my man no run, I go put you for prison. He said, this school cannot feel concentrate. Leave school and come outside and concentrate. Leave school, come outside and concentrate. See gist. Leave truth. Come outside and concentrate with this truth. We are finding the truth. I sit down. I said, me, Perry. Now me, these people. And that's when I go beat me. And I go cry my cry. Now lie. I know if it beats me. I know if it cry my cry. Man, I don't get respect. You don't get regard for him mama, for him papa, for him family. Man, I don't respect anybody for him family. Even his sister, husband, they don't abandon her. No, they respect anybody. Oh, everybody from man or family, they don't abandon her. No marry Enogie, no marry Enogie. He says she don't tire, shower don't tire ram. Now he go Germany, go carry belly for Enogie. But Enogie, for the matter, Enogie na person boyfriend, Enogie na person boyfriend though. He snatch him. Perry don't fat. So yes now. I dey live fine now. I do okay now. I do okay now. If my salary no pay me, my boyfriend go pay me now. If salary no pay, my boyfriend go pay me. If I don't get better salary in the month, my boyfriend go complete her. No, my boyfriend say, baby, I want to complete your salary. Baby, I want to take you out for a dinner. Baby, hey. You understand? The return of Perry got the part 1. That this I don't rest. I say, me we do new year, me we rest. Me, I know this sham media, I know they find social media money. I know they find monetization. Now waiting me stand, eh? Now stand. This your hair cost normally. Normally my hair cost now. Normally now. Wait till you they talk. I never comb my hair. Wait till you they talk, huh? Wait till they talk. My man go feel use. Me we just say, man go feel use how much they buy hair. No talk. No use me to compare them. I beg. It invests me. No use me compare them. Too small. What a mouse. What a useless human beings. You use your mouth. Spoil me. Finish. Kill me. Finish. You think I'm going to leave you? I'm not going to leave you, my guy. Me. So I do this live video so I go to do my bad girl things for Instagram, you understand? Because, see, I get squad now. So this time, I go pack all my squad for Instagram. I'll pack them for Facebook or they mad. But I get squad, you understand? So, make I just do this one. But this one just now, I go still log out social media. I go still there, I go still there Facebook. I'll still use my eye. Now so my eye. My hair not be 500 euro. Eh? My hair is not 500 euro. My hair is more than 500 euro. Who they press my bear? At time I'm coming. We. You die for them. My hair pass 500 euro. Not talk to my hair. You understand me so? Perry, waiting happen again. No worry, you go hear waiting happen. If I don't post my live video finish, you hear waiting happen. So me just day. I just day now. I just day. Perry is depressed. Perry is this one. Perry is that one. No be depression. Carry my man or come live video this afternoon. Come they cry. He say go come out Enogie name. Even if now we joke. Even if now prank. Eh? They don't get what they talk with mouth. He go come out Enogie name for paper. So he go come out Enogie name. I mean, all these police people can't come my house like this now. May they come. May they come tell me how much they want to pay me when they pay scatter my bicycle. I no fit talk. May they climb up if they fit. Woman no they respect man when no gets work. But when they say Enogie say go walk. When they attack me. When I say everything when me they do, all the good things what I do for Enogie for this life. All the good things man they do for Enogie for this life, eh? My reward, eh? Na heaven, na it. All the good things. What I do for Enogie. What do I want to do? What do I want to already do? My word, na everything. That shameless mama Nova. It's Sophia. You know shame, oh. If not me, shame no go let me come talk. Even me, my brother had a date. My boyfriend now can't do something now. Nobody even know her. And nobody know my boyfriend. Nobody know her. My father they catch like they catch cruise for social media for Instagram. Nobody know why they fuck. Nobody know who they fuck me. Who can't do me something now? Can't cry for live video. My brother, my sister get shame. Get shame. The fact say you be because say you go born 3 children for 1 year for Germany. No mean say you no get sense again. You need to get sense. Man, no, I can't let me talk some sense to your head. No be everything they go for your life, you can't talk for life with you. If na prank, na me Perigodi go tell una say na prank. When I enter the live video for the first time, I no comments. As I enter, You understand? As I enter the live video, I not talk anything. You get? I enter the live video. I look, I observe. I say, I one job say, if I believe what in this mad woman they talk on her own, I can't think say na joke. Immediately that white woman enter inside the thing tell and say, you had a fight with your husband. That was when I said, whoa, you know, say, una we be beneath people, una hear opinion, una no they like to hear truth, una hear the pain, una some of una. I not talk everybody because my maleout guy it relate. All una hear the pain, una some of una. Na no go wait una hear. Na wa tell wa agbe wa yaga na una they hear. The English person they speak for na they hear. Na no hear and say the Oyibo woman enter inside. When I come the kick the car say, it's a prank, it's a prank, it's a prank. The Oyibo woman don't come out now, they will carry phone come. It's a prank. Shebi, the Oyibo woman don't come out now. Enogie, I've been doing fasting and prayer for Enogie's family. My eyes is on them. My eyes, is on them. My eyes like this is on them. Yeah, so I've been doing fasting and prayer against Enogie and his family. I said this family will scatter. This family will scatter. This family will scatter. Enogie will end up in the prison. That is where he belongs. Enogie has been bullying people. Enogie is a bully. Enogie is a bully on those social media. They have to arrest that man. Police, German police, I'm calling on you people. You people should arrest him. Arrest him. That they are saying for Instagram. Now I say, no. So guys, let me end it here. My social did down. Let me end the live video here, okay? You people should wait for the part 2 of this story because I will come and summarize it. You understand? I might tell them, make them leave them for them. I know it so they don't feel wait me, they can't carry the thing come tomorrow. Why they can't come today? So I'm gonna wait. As a shadow do. Okay. Was that who? Where is it? I don't see anybody. When they leave for where I know they come up, I know they go down. I know fit me away. So more later, yeah. More later, I'll come back. I might go talk to my teacher for them.